How dinosaurs say goodnight. How do dinosaurs say goodnight? How do the dinosaurs say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn off the lights? Does the dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Does he throw his teddy bear all about? Does a dinosaur stomp his feet on the floor and shout, I want to hear one more book? Does a dinosaur roar? How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Mama comes in to turn off the lights? Does he swing his neck from the side to side? Does he look up and come in a piggyback ride? Does he mope? Does he moan? Does he silk? Does he sigh? Does he fall on the top of his covers and cry? Do dinosaurs do that? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss. They turn out the lights. They tug in their tails, whisper goodnight. They give a big hug, then give one more kiss. That's what dinosaurs do. Do dinosaurs, do dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. How do dinosaurs say goodnight? How do dinosaurs? Does he moan, moan? Does he silk? Does he sigh? Does he fall on top of his covers and cry? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss. They turn out the lights on their own. Like they are grown. They don't even try. They just go to bed inside. Does he mope? Does he moan? Does he silk? Does he sigh? I don't think. Does he fall on top of the covers? No, he don't even try. They turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. They give a big warm hug. They turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. They turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. They give one more kiss. Say goodnight. They turn off the lights. They turn off the lights. No more. Then they say bye bye. Bye.